everyone! We all know YouTube is the place to be. Want to share your cat videos with the world? YouTube. Dream of teaching grandma to knit virtually? YouTube. But with millions of videos vying for attention, how do you stand out? That's where our trusty sidekicks, VidIQ and TubeBuddy, come in. These tools are like having a backstage pass to YouTube success. They give you the inside scoop on what works, what doesn't, and how to get those views soaring higher. First up, let's talk about VidIQ. This tool is a game changer for anyone serious about growing their YouTube channel. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, VidIQ has something for everyone. This tool is like that friend who always knows the latest gossip, the one who always has the inside scoop on what's trending and what's not. Except this time, it's juicy YouTube secrets. Imagine having access to all the behind-the-scenes data that can help you make informed decisions about your content. VidIQ analyzes data faster than a cheetah on a sugar rush. It sifts through mountains of information to give you the most relevant insights in real time. It helps you understand what people are searching for and tells you exactly what keywords to use in your titles, descriptions, and tags. It even suggests trending topics that you might want to cover in your next video. VidIQ also gives you a peek at your competitors. You can see what they're doing right and where they might be falling short. You can see what's working for them. Don't worry, it's not cheating. It's more like a friendly competition where everyone can learn and grow together. Think of it as inspiration to make your videos even better. You can take the best elements from your competitors and put your unique spin on them. Plus, VidIQ helps you track your progress. You can monitor your channel's performance over time and see which strategies are paying off. It's like having your own personal cheerleader, but instead of pom-poms, it uses charts and graphs. These visual aids make it easy to understand complex data and keep you motivated to reach your goals. Setting goals is crucial for any YouTuber, and VidIQ helps you set realistic, achievable targets. It breaks down your goals into manageable steps, making the path to success clearer. And if you're ever feeling stuck, VidIQ offers a wealth of resources, including tutorials and webinars, to help you get back on track. It's like having a mentor available 24/7. Engaging with your audience is another key aspect of growing your channel, and VidIQ provides tools to help you manage comments and interact with your viewers more effectively. From optimizing your video settings to creating eye-catching thumbnails, VidIQ covers all the bases. It's a comprehensive tool designed to make your YouTube journey smoother and more successful. So, whether you're celebrating a milestone or just starting out, VidIQ is there to support you every step of the way. It's more than just a tool. It's a partner in your YouTube success story. With VidIQ, you can focus on what you do best, creating amazing content, while it takes care of the technical details. It's like having a backstage crew that ensures everything runs smoothly. So go ahead, unmask the algorithm, and let VidIQ guide you to YouTube stardom. The future of your channel looks brighter than ever. Now let's meet TubeBuddy, the other rock star in our YouTube journey. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, TubeBuddy is designed to make your life easier and your channel more successful. If VidIQ is the data whiz, TubeBuddy is the ultimate organizer and efficiency guru. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for your YouTube channel, packed with tools that streamline your workflow and boost your productivity. Imagine having a personal assistant who takes care of all the tedious YouTube tasks. That's TubeBuddy. From keyword research to advanced analytics, it's got you covered. It's like having a dedicated team member who never sleeps. TubeBuddy helps you manage your channel like a pro. It offers a suite of tools that make it easy to organize your content, schedule posts, and even optimize your videos for better search rankings. You can focus on creating great content while TubeBuddy handles the rest. It simplifies bulk editing, so updating tags and descriptions is a breeze. No more repetitive tasks that eat up your time. With TubeBuddy, you can update multiple videos at once, saving you hours of work. Say goodbye to hours of mind-numbing clicking. TubeBuddy's bulk processing tools are designed to make your life easier, allowing you to focus on what you do best, creating amazing content. It even helps you create eye-catching thumbnails and end screens that keep viewers hooked. With TubeBuddy's design tools, you can easily create professional-looking graphics that attract more clicks and keep your audience engaged. And the best part? TubeBuddy has this cool feature that translates your video titles and descriptions into different languages. This means you can reach a global audience without having to be fluent in multiple languages. Talk about expanding your reach. Hola, new subscribers. Bonjour, nouveau abonné. With TubeBuddy, you can connect with viewers from all over the world, growing your community and increasing your channel's impact. So, whether you're looking to save time, improve your video performance, or expand your audience, TubeBuddy is your go-to tool. It's like having a secret weapon in your YouTube arsenal, helping you achieve your goals and take your channel to the next level. With TubeBuddy, you can plan your content calendar, brainstorm new video ideas, and collaborate with your team more effectively. It's all about making your YouTube journey smoother and more enjoyable. So why wait? Start using TubeBuddy today and see the difference it can make for your channel. Here's to more subscribers, more views, and more success on YouTube. Okay, let's talk money, honey. Both VidIQ and TubeBuddy offer free plans with basic features, which is great for those just starting out. But if you're serious about YouTube domination, you'll want to upgrade to unlock their full potential. VidIQ's paid plans come with more in-depth analytics, keyword research tools, and competitor tracking. Think of it as upgrading from economy to first class on the YouTube airplane. TubeBuddy's paid plans offer more advanced channel management features, bulk processing power, and A/B testing tools to optimize your content. It's like having a whole team of YouTube experts at your beck and call. Here, we'll talk about happy creating. Now let's look at TubeBuddy hacks. Let's unleash the power of TubeBuddy. First things first, master the art of bulk editing. This feature alone will save you hours of precious time. Imagine all the cat videos you could be watching instead. Next, use TubeBuddy's thumbnail generator to create eye-catching images that will make people stop scrolling. Remember, your thumbnail is like the cover of your book. It needs to be enticing. And finally, don't forget about end screens. TubeBuddy makes it easy to create end screens that promote your other videos and encourage viewers to subscribe. Why not both? The case for double dipping. Here's a thought. Who says you have to choose just one? Using both VidIQ and TubeBuddy is like having a superhero team-up for your YouTube channel. VidIQ gives you the data and insights, while TubeBuddy helps you put that knowledge into action. It's like having a brilliant strategist and a tireless worker bee all rolled into one. Plus, using both tools can give you a competitive edge. It's like having X-ray vision in a game of YouTube hide-and-seek. So who wins the YouTube crown? Which tool reigns supreme? The truth is, it depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're a data geek who loves digging into analytics, VidIQ might be your soulmate. If you're all about efficiency and streamlining your workflow, TubeBuddy could be your new best friend. Or, if you're like me and want it all, why not embrace the power of both? That's all I've got for you today, folks. Now it's your turn to tell me what you think. Have you used VidIQ or TubeBuddy? What are your favorite features? Let me know in the comments below.